Scramjet technology, India's hypersonic breakthrough. DRDO achieves a historic milestone with a successful 120-second scramjet combustor test. DRDO successfully tested a scramjet combustor for 120 seconds, a first in India's hypersonic technology journey. Hypersonic missiles travel faster than Mach 5, exceeding 5,400 km per hour, making them nearly impossible to intercept. Hypersonic weapons are critical for defense, capable of bypassing air defense systems and delivering rapid strikes. Scramjets are advanced air-breathing engines that sustain combustion at supersonic speeds using atmospheric oxygen. At hypersonic speeds, air enters the scramjet engine at over 1.5 km per second, compressing naturally as it flows in. Fuel is injected into the high-speed air, igniting and combusting while the air moves at supersonic speeds. Hot gases expand through the exhaust, generating thrust that propels the vehicle at hypersonic speeds. DRDO achieved ignition and stable combustion for 120 seconds in its active-cooled scramjet combustor test. Flame stabilization is like keeping a candle lit in a hurricane. DRDO perfected this through innovative techniques. India's first endothermic scramjet fuel ensures easy ignition and efficient cooling, boosting engine performance. A state-of-the-art ceramic thermal barrier coating resists temperatures beyond steel's melting point, protecting the engine. Advanced Computational Fluid Dynamics (CFD) simulations optimized the scramjet engine design and performance. India joins nations like the US, Russia, and China in advancing hypersonic technologies with this breakthrough. Scramjets are vital for hypersonic missiles, space launches, and advanced surveillance vehicles. Hypersonic missiles with scramjets ensure rapid and precise responses, strengthening India's defense capabilities. This milestone paves the way for affordable space launches, advanced hypersonic vehicles, and aerospace innovation. Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh congratulated DRDO and its partners for this remarkable milestone in India's defense. India's scientific brilliance is driving the future of aerospace and defense. The possibilities are endless. Like, subscribe, and comment to explore the fascinating world of science and technology with us.